Welcome to my channel, where engines aren't just machines, they're stories written in steel, oil, and pure passion. And today, we honor one of the greatest legends ever built, the Nissan TD42. This is not just an engine code, it's a badge of honor, a symbol of unbreakable strength, and a name that has echoed across deserts, jungles, mountains, and highways for over 30 years. If you know, you know, the TD42 doesn't follow trends, it creates them. It doesn't ask for attention, it commands respect. Let's go back to the roots of this beast. Born in the heart of Nissan's engineering brilliance, the TD42 is a 4.2-liter inline-six diesel, built to survive where others fail. No fancy computers, no fragile sensors, just pure mechanical muscle, driven by a legendary inline fuel pump that delivers diesel like a lifeline, even in the harshest conditions. This engine was made for people who don't just drive, they conquer. Whether pulling heavy loads, crossing deserts, or carving through rock-filled trails, the TD42 was built to face the impossible and come out stronger. And it's not just about power, it's about trust. A TD42 owner knows that no matter how far you are from civilization, this engine won't quit. Overheating, it'll survive. Bad fuel, it'll adapt. High mileage, it laughs at it. This is not just engineering, this is loyalty in metal form. And that's why, even in 2025, the world still can't get enough of this diesel legend. But here's where things get even better. The TD42 isn't just living on memories. It's evolving. The aftermarket has turned this old-school workhorse into a modern-day weapon. From high-flow turbo kits to performance intercoolers, from billet fuel pumps to forged internals, the TD42 is now breaking barriers its original engineers could never imagine. Some builds are pushing over 400 horsepower while still keeping the legendary reliability intact. This is more than a restoration, this is a rebirth. The latest trend sweeping the TD42 community is luxury diesel builds. Picture this, a Nissan Patrol standing proudly in a high-end showroom, painted in deep gloss black, sitting on massive forged wheels, wrapped in custom leather, with a fully digital dashboard, and under the hood, a TD42 beast, turbocharged and polished like a diamond, ready to unleash its fury at the push of a pedal. This is where old-school power meets new-school elegance, proving that the TD42 isn't just for the trails, it belongs on a pedestal. And if you think that's where the story ends, think again. In 2025, the TD42 community is exploding with new innovation. Companies are releasing standalone engine management systems made just for mechanical diesels. This means you can tune your fuel maps, boost curves, and timing with the precision of a modern race car, all while keeping the heart of the TD42 beating strong. Add to that billet cylinder heads, performance camshafts, and next-gen cooling systems, and you have a recipe for a diesel legend that's faster, cooler, and tougher than ever. Even Nissan itself can't ignore the TD42's legacy. Rumors are swirling about heritage parts programs that could bring back factory-spec TD42 components straight from Nissan's vault, giving enthusiasts a chance to rebuild their engines with genuine DNA.